Hi, today we're going to see how to add steam in your images in GIMP. I will put the link of this image in the description box. So the first thing I'm going to do is to create a new layer. So click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now select the free select tool. So now I'm going to make selection. So here I'm going to draw something like cloud. So here it is. Press enter to confirm selection. And now go to select, distort. So I'm going to use these settings here to distort this selection here. So here it is. Press OK. So the image is quite big. It's over 3000. And now go to select. I'm going to feather this selection. So click on feather. So I'm going to feather it by 10 pixels. So here it is. Press OK. Check the selected areas continue outside the image. It's OK. And now I'm just going to fill this selection with white on the transparent layer we created. So here it is. And now while the selection is active, Control C. So here, as you can see, copied pixels to the clipboard. So we're going to use this shape here as a brush. So now I'm going to hide it. I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now select the paintbrush tool. And now I'm just going to left click here on the brush and then choose the first one. So here, as you can see, clipboard image. So here it is. Make sure the dynamics to select the track direction. It's in the end here, before the end, this one here, track direction. So here it is. And I'm going to reduce the hardness and force. And now I'm just going to increase a little bit the size here. So here it is. Size is 1800 because the image is quite big. And now I'm just going to here just to make some smoke here, some steam. And also, for example, decrease the opacity. So here like this. So Control Z to undo if you don't like, for example, one. So here it is. And now you can still, for example, select the warp tool. So here, then here you can, for example, modify. So here is shape here of the steam. So here you can give it any shape you want. So here, for example, I'm going to give it here. You can also, so if you select another tool, you confirm the warp. You can also, for example, select the eraser tool and for example, remove some parts here like this. So here and now, right click, new from visible. And now let's see the before and after. So here it is. That's how you can add steam in your images in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.